Despite appearances, I am not in the depths of hell. I may just be in heaven, because we've seen Huawei's Mate X, the foldable phone of the future. And yeah, we mean future because not only has it got 5G, but Samsung should be worried. All doubt has been removed. The era of the folding smartphone is here. Meet the 5G Huawei Mate X. And it's even more intriguing than Samsung's Galaxy Fold. Huawei describes the Mate X as a product that will redefine the smartphone space and change the future of phone design and technology. It's certainly really striking to look at, even though we've only seen it from a distance so far. The screen wraps around the device and folds down a central spine using a hinge Huawei calls the Falcon hinge. The main screen is 6.6 inches. That's the screen that Huawei says you're going to use the most, and size here really counts. The rear screen measures 6.4 inches, and unfolded, the Huawei Mate X is a massive 8-inch tablet. Open, the device is only 5.4mm thick, and closed, only 11mm thick. Many of the components are found inside a bar running down the edge of the Mate X, including 3 Leica camera lenses. There's no selfie camera, as the same array can be used to take pictures from the front or the back. Cleverly, people can see themselves in the rear screen when you're taking a photo for them to check how they look. The Mate X will use the Huawei Kirin 980 processor and come with the new Balong 5000 modem for 5G connectivity. There are 2 batteries inside, totaling 4,500 mAh, and they're recharged using a new 55-watt supercharged system. So what does this mean? It means 85% charge in only 30 minutes. Not bad at all. It was a tantalising tease to see the Mate X a metre away from our faces and not be able to touch or try it out. We're left with many questions, not only on the rest of the specification, but also on when it's coming and crucially, how much it's going to cost. All this and probably more will be answered very soon. Wow, right? I mean, Huawei's taken a radical new device of its own, giving it a twist from what we've seen from Samsung on the foldable phones, and we couldn't be more excited about this. We've got so many questions and not enough answers. We want more, and as soon as we get it, we're going to bring it to you.